Hi, today I'm for the Lenovo Tab P11 second generation, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first we should open the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. So just to log out from Gmail account. In Gmail app, we should log out from Google account in our device. So click to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account and click to remove account. Then confirm your action by tap to remove account. And now in Google account settings, we just successfully log out from the Google account. That's why let's go back to the Gmail application. And here we can see that we just successfully log out from Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.